Good morning. This is Dr. Samlata, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Chemical Engineering. And now I am starting the subject Health, Environment and Safety Management, which is a 3 credit course. And it is offered as the L2 course. In this course, we will discuss about the syllabus here. One is Module 1, Unit 1 is Management and Management Principles. In this unit, we will discuss about the principles of management, role, authority, and responsibility of management, and delegation, decentralization of authority, safety, health management, and role of management in industrial safety and organization safety. All those topics are discussed in Unit 1, Module 1, and coming to Unit 2, planning and organization for safety. In this one, we will discuss about the Indian Bureau of Standards and ILO standards and EPA standards and organization definition and principles of organization and safety committee structure and functions, line and staff functions, all are discussed in this Unit 2, Module 1. And coming to Module 2, Unit 1, Principles of Accident Prevention. This unit is divided into two parts. One is regarding about the accident prevention and theories and communication. Under communication, we will discuss about the purpose, process, types, and channels, two-way communication. All those are discussed in this Module 2, Unit 1. And coming to Module 2, Unit 2, Prevention and Training. In this in this unit, we will discuss about the elements of training cycle, assessment needs, and competence building technique, and relevance of WTO regarding safety and employee participation, purpose, methods, and role of trade awards and suggestion schemes, safety competitions, and rewards. All those are discussed in Module 2, Unit 2. After that, we will discuss about the course outcomes. This course has 5 outcomes. One is identify the key concepts and terminologies related to health, safety, and environmental management, and analyze the occupation safety, health, and environmental safety, and evaluate the different types of safety measures and design models on the different accidental prevention techniques, and creation of theories of accident occurrences. All those are the course outcomes. Now coming to the introduction about the health, safety, and environment. In this one, what is environment? What is health, safety, and environment? In any industry, especially in chemical, petroleum, and manufacturing sectors, operations involve hazardous materials, high temperature, pressure, and complex processes. These conditions can pose risks, health, human health, workplace safety, and the environment. Therefore, health, environment, safety management is essential to identify, control, and prevent these risks. What is health, environment, and safety management? Health, environment, safety management is a systematic approach used by organization to ensure protection of the employee health and prevention of the accidents and injuries and protection of the environment. This is about the health, environment, safety management. In simple words, health, environment, safety management is the safe people and safe workplace and safe environment. Next, coming to the components of the health environmental management. What are the components? Health is one of the component. Health focuses on the physical and medical well-being, physical and mental well-being of employees, includes prevention of the occupational disease, monitoring exposure to chemicals, dust, noise, and medical checkups and health programs. And coming to the example for health is protecting workers from toxic gases in a chemical plant, and safety. What is safety? Safety deals with preventing accidents and injuries at the workplace, which includes use of personal protective equipment. Machine safety, fire prevention and control, safe operating procedures. Example for safety, wearing helmets, gloves, safety goggles, all those are the examples for safety. Third one coming to environment. Environment, what is environment? Environment focuses on protecting nature from industrial activities, which includes pollution control, waste management, and sustainable resource uses. Examples for environment is treating industrial wastewater before discharge into the environment or water bodies. Objectives of the health, environment, and safety management. The main objectives are to ensure safe and health working and conditions, to prevent accidents, injuries, and diseases, to protect the environment from pollution, to comply with laws and regulations, to improve overall organizational performance. What is the need of health, environment, and safety management? Why HES is important? Because industries can cause accidents, health hazards, and environmental damages. Accidents means explosions, fires, and leaks, and health hazards means toxic exposures, and environmental damage means pollution. Next, coming to health, environment, safety helps to reduce risk, avoid legal penalties, and improve employee morale and enhance the company reputation. And HES means health, environment, and safety in industries like chemical plants, oil refineries, pharmaceutical industries. Health environment management is mandatory. Why? Because even a small mistake can lead to major accidents, loss of life, and environmental disasters. Key elements of health environment safety management system. A typical HES system includes policy, planning, implementation, monitoring, and review and improvement. Policy means organization's commitment to health, environment, and safety. Planning means identify hazards and risks, and implementation means applying safety measures. Monitoring means checking the performance, and review improvement means continuous improvement. This is similar to a cycle, means acting plan to control risks like that. And role of management. What is the role of management? Management plays a crucial role by providing resources, enforcing safety rules, conducting training programs, and promoting safety culture. Without management support, HES cannot succeed. And integration with management principles. Health environment management system is linked with principles given by Henry Foyle. These are the environmental truths. Management principles are environmental truths derived from observation, experimentation that serve as a guidelines for managerial decision making and behavior. For example, discipline, following safety rules, and unity of direction, one safety policy. Equity means fair treatment in safety practices. What are the management principles? Which are the fundamental guidelines or rules that help managers make decisions, direct activities, and achieve organizational goals and safe effectively and efficiently. Management principles are general guidelines or rules that help managers perform their functions effectively and efficiently. These principles are not rigid laws but are flexible in nature, and they guide managers in decision making, planning, organizing, and controlling activities within an organization. The most significant contribution to management principles was made by Henry Fayol. He proposed 14 principles of management which are relevant to modern industries. First one is division of work. First management principle is division of work. This principle states that work should be divided into smaller tasks and assigned to different individuals based on specialization, and specialization improves efficiency, accuracy, and speed of work. When a person performs the same task repeatedly, they become more skilled and productive. Means experience and skilled persons. Next, second principle is authority and responsibility. Authority refers to the right of a manager to give orders, while responsibility refers to the obligation to complete the assigned task. Foyle emphasized that authority and responsibility must go hand in hand. If a manager has authority without responsibility, it leads to misuse, and if responsibility is given without authority, the task cannot be completed effectively. Third principle is discipline. Discipline means obedience, respect for rules, and proper conduct within the organization. Discipline means obedience and respect for rules and proper conduct with organization. It is essential for, means discipline is essential for maintaining order and smooth functioning. Discipline depends on good leadership and clear arguments and fair application of rules. Next, coming to fourth one, that is unity of command. According to this principle, employee should receive orders from only one superior. This avoids confusion, conflict, and overlapping instructions, ensuring clarity in work. Next, coming to fifth principle, that is unity of direction. Unity of direction means that all activities with the same objective should be directed by one manager using one plan. This ensures coordination and avoids duplication of efforts. Coming to sixth principle is subordination of individual interest to general interest. The interest of the organization should always take precedence over individual interests, and employees must work towards achieving organization goals rather than personal benefits. Coming to seventh one, remuneration. Remuneration refers fair wages or compensation given to the employees. It should be just satisfactory to both employees and employers, as it directly affects motivation and productivity of the employees. Next, coming to centralization. Centralization refers to the centralization. Next principle is centralization and decentralization. Centralization refers to the concentration of decision making authority at the top level, and File suggested that the degree of centralization should depend on the organization size, nature, and situation. The balance between centralization and decentralization is ideal. Means balance between decision making authority at the top and passing on the lower levels. Next, coming to scalar chain. Ninth one is scalar chain. Scalar chain is a line of authority from top management to the lowest level. It ensures proper communication and defines clear reporting relationships within the organization. Tenth one is order. What is order? Order means maintaining a systematic arrangement of people and materials. Therefore, there should be a proper place for everything and everyone, which improves efficiency and reduces wastage of time and resources. Now coming to 11th one, that is equity. Equity. Equity, which is a which refers to fairness, kindness, and justice in dealing with the employees. Managers should treat employees equally and respectfully to build trust and loyalty. Third one, the 13th one is initiative. Initiative means employees should be encouraged to show initiative. And as employees should be encouraged to take initiative and suggest new ideas. This promotes innovation, creativity, and active participation in organizational growth. Last one is esprit de corps. Means esprit de corps means team spirit and unity among employees, which promotes harmony and cooperation leads to a positive work environment and higher productivity. And other contributions to management principles. Here, Frederick Taylor introduced the concept of scientific management, which focuses on improving efficiency through scientific methods. He emphasized time study, motion study, and standardization of work. His main aim was to find the one best way to perform a task. And Elton Mayo focused on the human relations movement. He highlighted that workers are influenced by social psychological factors, motivation, teamwork, and communication are important. His study showed that employee satisfaction improves productivity. Next one, modern management principles. Modern management goes beyond traditional principles and includes flexibility, adaptability, sustainability, and environmental responsibility, employee involvement, and focus on stakeholders. Organizations today must respond to dynamic and changing environment. That is application in health, environment, and safety. Management principles play a crucial role in health and environment and safety and integration with business, leadership commitment, and effective communication and safety culture. So, anyway, the conclusion of the management principles is the management principles provide a strong foundation for organizational success. The principles given by Henry Foyle, along with the contributions from Frederick Taylor and Elton Mayo, have shaped modern management principles. These principles remain relevant even today and are widely applied in various fields, including health, environment, and safety, to ensure efficient, safe, and sustainable operations.